way to get down there, and fast.
Ready, friend? Ready?
Leaping laptops. Those lizards are parachuting off the bridge.
Team Omizumi. Parachuting is the best. You gotta try it.
Hey guys, if we get a parachute for Umikar, we can float down too.
Oh, terrific. Let's go see if we can find him one.
Wow.
Different sizes, too. But if we're gonna jump with Umikar, we need to make sure we have the right size parachute.
According to my robot computer, Umikar needs a parachute that's diameter is 7 units. The diameter is the length of a circle across the middle.
Maybe this blue one's the right size. Let's use my ponytail to measure. Mary measure! The blue parachute's diameter is... What number is this? 4, right. But that's not long enough for Umikar. He needs a parachute that's 7 units.
How about this yellow one, Millie?
Is this diameter 7 units? No. What number is that? 6, yeah. We need a parachute that's even bigger. Here's a purple one. Is this diameter 7 units? Yes. It's just the right size for Umikar.
All right.
Okay, Umikar. Just sit tight while we get this purple parachute attached. Safety check. Check. You're all safe to parachute, Umikar. Thanks, lizard.
Now let's parachute out of here and catch up with those troublemakers.
On the count of 3, let's parachute. Count to 3 with us. 1, 2, 3. Nice jump, Umikar.
Brilliant pair of troublemakers, aren't we? Umikar, but that's impossible. Oh no, what are we gonna do? I know how to slow them down. We can send a little trouble their way. Send trouble? Hey, that's a great idea. Trouble, 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 hey, make some trouble. They broke Umikar's tire into 4 pieces.
Don't worry, Umikar. We'll get your tire fixed.
The only way to fix Umikar's tire is to put the pieces together in just the right way. It'll be like putting together a puzzle. This piece has half a star on it. Let's look for a piece with the other half. Where's the other half of the star? The square. Yes, it's on that piece there. All right. That leaves space for just one more piece. A piece that has half a diamond and half a heart. Aha! Here it is. Uh-oh. It won't fit like this. What should I do to make it fit? Turn it around. Oh, yeah. Now it'll fit. Woohoo! We fixed the tire. Now let's put it back on Umikar. Robo Power Wrench, activate. You fell to the ground. Oh no, look what you've done.
Umikar's present. Let's get it back, Umikar. Look, it landed. It's at the top of Steep Street.
Swooping sprockets. That's the steepest street in Umi City. Bubble truck.
Oh, yes, we will.
We'll see about that.
Hey,
Oh, those troublemakers. After the Umikar. No, we can't let Umikar beat us to the present. Well, you know what they say. If you can't beat 'em, make